Hi everyone, I just want to make a quick video and to show you how to turn a 3D object into a 2D object. So when you draw a 3D object, most of the time the clients only want to see it as a visualization, but you want to use it as a working drawing as well. So what you need to do is you need to add dimensions and views to your drawing. So there's a very simple command to do this with a 3D drawing in your AutoCAD. Let me just show you. The command's name is Flatshot. So I'm going to type in Flatshot. Then it's going to bring up this interaction with the Flatshot command. So you want to insert it as a block, so you can handle the whole drawing just as a block. And I usually disable this obstructed lines, because if you show that, it's going to show all the hidden details as well. So all you do then is type or click create, and it takes a while because it has to read and review all the solids in your drawing, all the solid 3D objects in your drawing, so it can extract all the edges from your drawing. So as you can see, it's now created a 2D object. And it's going to ask you what scale you want to insert into the drawing. So I'm just going to leave it scale 1:1. And then it asks for the rotation of the drawing it inserts. So I'm just going to leave it at 0. So as you can see, it has now created a 2D representation of the 3D object that was in my drawing. So just to show you what it was, this is the 3D object. So on the top view, it's going to show all the side views I've created already, and now the top view that I've shown you how to do it as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.